Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your great support always. I'm so grateful for your continued support to this channel. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Member of Parliament from ODM Party, Honorable Bensouda, woman representative of Homa Bay County, alifosiwa kutoka pale City Mortuary, mahali ambapo mwili wa Albert Omondi Ojwang imewekwa. Na Bensouda yeye alikuwa ameenda kuona mwili, then later alikuwa atoe press briefing yake pale mbele ya City Mortuary. Wakenya ambao walikuwa wamekaa pale kungoja the results, ni nini ilikuwa imefanya Albert Omondi Ojwang kupoteza maisha yake. Bensouda yeye naye alikuwa anataka a hold press briefing. Aliambiwa, you cannot hold press briefing here, your duty haiko hapa, kazi yako hakuna hapa, funga virago, rudi parliament. I have a video where Bensouda is being forced out and kicked out of City Mortuary by Kenyans, telling her, you have your duty, go to parliament, hauna kazi yako hapa. I want you to watch the video, but before we watch, ensure you like the video. When you like the video, you support the work that I'm doing in this channel, because sometimes you watch and you forget liking the video. So this is just a reminder. As you watch, please consider liking the video. Thank you so much for that like. The way you've watched, these members of parliament wanaona moto, because even as we speak, kuna wale ambao wanatamani kuenda pale, but they are fearing the wrath of the people. Kenyans wako na hasira because extrajudicial killing imekuwa part and duty of this government. So these members of parliament who are calling themselves with the government, they are even fearing to go there because they might see and witness the wrath of the people. And that is what Honorable Bensouda, Honorable, of course, woman representative from Homa Bay, saw with her two eyes. As if that is not enough, we are having a video whereby Millie Odhiambo, she's coming out not happy at all, even despite of them being part of the broad-based government that has now come out as blood-based government. Millie Odhiambo is coming out to express her grief, as she is now alleging that what is happening is not correct.
Today, now imagine your son who is not dying because of natural causes, and you wake up in the morning and you are told that your son has died. Why? Because some idiot cannot stand an alternative view. For me, it's not even about the fact that he has died. Who gave the order for that young man to be brought to be arrested? For what? If you can't stand somebody, block. Who doesn't know the block button? Do you have to be all over listening to everyone and anyone at every time? I mean, this nonsense must stop. Kenya has come too far. These are things that are done in other countries that we have been condemning in sub around us. Cannot happen in Kenya. We will not allow it. Not in Kenya. No.
Any other question?
Because someone being accused of maybe publishing false information, after being arrested, he or she finding himself killed because of just publishing something. Millie Odhiambo is saying it is not good. But the question I'm asking, what are the mechanisms they are having? Because they might complain day in, day out. They are part now of this government. They should come up with solution. They signed an agreement, pale KICC. One of the elements and some points they had was that extrajudicial killings ilikuwa inastopiwa. Immediately that, Mortuary ndio hiyo pap kwao. Ndio hiyo Albert Ojwang, ndio hiyo, you know. So Millie Odhiambo was not happy. On the same note, when you look at how the father to Albert Ojwang is coming out to grief after the result has come out that his son was killed, not as it was alleged that Albert Ojwang aliamua kupiga kichwa kwa ukuta, which according to the doctors wamefanya ile operation, wamesema the allegation that was there earlier ati Albert Ojwang alipiga kichwa kwa ukuta is not true. They can see mtu kama ni kama shingo ilikuwa na nyongwa, mwili ilikuwa imelimwa kidogo, and you can see how it was done. So the father to Albert Ojwang is literally showing this government how they are so lethal on Kenyans. And if truly his son did a wrong thing, they could have, of course, booked him the way they arrested him, then take him to court.
Seme, kwa nini ulimuua mtoto wangu? Alikukosea nini ambayo inagharimu kifo chake? Watu wanaongea kuhusu mambo ya ufisadi, hata ni wengi kabisa katika nchi hii yetu. Kwa nini mtoto wangu abebe, na ni mtoto wangu mmoja wa kipekee? Sasa nimebaki mkono mtupu. Nana atanielekeza katika maisha iliyobakia. Mtoto wangu nimemsomesha kwa taabu katika kaunti ya Kilifi kwa kazi ya Kware, nikijinyima kwa ajili ya mtoto wangu kusoma. Alipohitimu nilikuwa nina matumaini, ndiposa nikatoka huko nikirudi Nyanza nikae nyumbani, kwa sababu mtoto amefika mahali pa kunishika mkono. Sasa leo hii umenivunja mkono, umeniua. Kwa nini uniue? Unanidai nini? Amekuibia nini? Haya ndio maneno ambayo nataka niongee kwako Bwana Eliud.
And charged. But the result that now he was killed was not the result. And that is what that was not his expectation. And you can see how he's saying that was the only child he was having. That was the only child he was having. So it's like the government has killed him. So these police officers, the way I told you yesterday, there's something they know it very well. Wanajua kila kitu hapo. Ni kitu tu kutuficha. And sometimes when I was listening to the Inspector General, Mr. Kanja, saying that according to what they are wanajua ni kwamba Albert Ojwang alipiga kichwa kwa ukuta. On the same note, tunaambiwa Albert Ojwang was isolated in his own room. Ni nani alikuwa witness akionyesha kwamba huyu kijana alimuona akipiga kichwa kwa ukuta? You must ask yourself some questions. So police officers wamejidowngrade, wamejiweka chini, and that is why they're behaving as those wametoka from hell. What do you think, Kenyans? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Till we meet in another video.